Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with another great video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn online every single day using some extremely easy methods. I'm going to provide to you 5 companies that will pay you daily by doing very simple tasks. So please watch closely because the information that I'm going to give you, you will need in order to start producing an income. Not only that, I want to make sure that you don't miss any information or any steps so that you can start earning as quickly as possible when you are using these platforms. There's no experience needed, no degree, or any special skill sets required in order for you to start using these websites. All you're going to need is a smartphone or a computer and an internet connection, and you are good to go. All of these methods that we will show you today are some of the easiest and fastest ways to make money online. Make sure to stay tuned until the end so you will not miss out on any of the opportunities that we will be sharing with you in this video. And before we get started, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, but not only that, hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time we upload a brand new video. Most of these websites that we will talk about today are available globally, so you can access them basically from anywhere in the world. There are some of the best and greatest platforms to be used if you are looking to earn money pretty quickly. The first company that I'm going to show you is called Genius. They are a company that specializes in song lyrics. They serve music to over 100 million people every single month. People come to this website to know lyrics for a song or actually to learn certain artists that is associated with a particular song. Good news is you can actually work for this company and get paid. What you're going to do is transcribe music for them. You can do this from anywhere in the world, whether you are home or traveling. Simply transcribe music and you can get paid for it. You can make anywhere from $15 up to $30 per hour doing this type of work. This is a 100% legitimate company, so you will definitely get paid once you actually complete the work that they are requiring from you. To get started, you're going to go to their website, scroll down, and click where it says jobs. Go to current job openings and you can see all of the different jobs that they offer. Look for lyrics associates and click on that. You will be taken to this page where you can read through the information about the job, like the responsibilities and the requirements. Scroll down to where you can apply and then click submit application to get a job with Genius. Now, moving on to the second website that I want to discuss with you today is called Instantgc. This is a great company to work with and they have been in business since 2011. A lot of people have been using this website to make money every single day. You only need to do simple tasks and sign up is 100% free. You can make money literally in minutes after joining this website. How this works basically is you get paid for doing different online activities like downloading apps, clicking on websites. They also have answering surveys and watching videos. You can also earn money by inviting people to this website. You can choose to get paid via PayPal or Bitcoin. To join Instantgc, simply go to their website. You can sign up using your Facebook, Twitter, or Google account, as well as your email address. Once you fill out your information, click the sign up button. Go to your inbox and look for the email that they're going to send to you. Verify the email. Once verified, you can already log in and start actually making money. You can do all of the different tasks you can find to get paid. To maximize your earnings, you can also invite people to come to this website. Now, be sure to stick around as we will be sharing later in this video how to invite thousands of people to this kind of website. Now, moving right along, I want to discuss with you the third company, which is called TechSpot.ai. With this website, you can make instant 100% commissions over and over again. You can also choose to get paid through Cash App or Venmo. TechSpot specializes in lead generation and marketing automation. What it does basically is that it has a software that can automatically send text messages and answer phone calls for businesses that are out there. Your role in this is to help businesses get their hands on this tool. This is going to be very easy to do with the website that I'm going to be sharing with you later on in this video. So please make sure to watch the video all the way till the end. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying all of the methods that we have shared with you so far, and also make sure to leave a comment down below if you're excited to try it out. Now, to get started with TechSpot.ai, you first need to sign up to their website. You can see that you can generate hundreds of dollars from this website. This is probably one of the easiest ways to earn $100 commissions. Once you're done signing up, simply complete all of the steps and you will be set up and ready to start earning. The fourth website is called CrowdSurf, which is a transcriptionist company. Basically, you can get paid by typing out what you hear if you listen to the audios. If you're able to listen to videos and conversations, then you can definitely do this type of work. You can do this even with little to no experience. What is great is that they will give you all of the training and support you need to make money. If you can't type, well, you can make use of the voice to text feature on Google Docs. You can also learn more about this opportunity on their website. To get started, simply go to their website and click on USA/Canada button if you are from there, and in the international button if you're from a different area. The last and final company is called superpay.me. This is another get to pay to do website similar to Instantgc. This is a great website to start with, especially if you have no money, because you can sign up for free and you can get paid even without any experience. You can see on their website that they have paid out well over $4 million to their members. You can also choose how you want to receive your funds, whether you're going to be using PayPal, Tango, Amazon, Skrill, or you can even use Bitcoin. What you will be doing on this website is just a variety of online activities like watching videos or taking surveys. You can also get paid by inviting people to sign up for free. To get started, simply click on Join Free today, fill out the information, then verify your email. Once done, you can log in and start earning money. The second part of this tutorial will show you another 5 super easy and amazing websites that can help you to make more money online. We will also teach you how to create traffic and earn thousands of dollars through these websites. Make sure that you check out the second part of this video so that you can maximize your earnings and grow your money to the top. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and try out these 5 amazing methods that we have showed you today and start earning money right away. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Also, make sure to leave a comment and subscribe to the channel, as we will be teaching you more ways to start making money online. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.